Hey guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some of the best broiled burgers you've ever eaten. Because I have a secret ingredient. First, I've got a pound of ground beef. It is 80/20. Over here, and your secret ingredient is bacon. Got it over here, and you do not want to cook it to death. You don't even want to cook it hard. Let me get a fork and turn it over. You just want to cook it very, very lightly, not even. So that what you're going to do is you're going to grind this up in the chopper. And all the bacon flavor is going to be so throughout it. So, let me get something else. I think that's good enough. Like I said, very lightly. This piece was pretty thin, so that one's a little more cooked. Alright. Let me get this out of the way and I'll be right back so we can do the bacon. Okay, I put my bacon in here, and I'm just wanting to pulse it a little bit. You want to finally do it, but don't. There you go. See, that's how you want it to look. Trying to stay away from that burner because it's still a little warm. And like I said, y'all saw I used 3 pieces. Let's see how finely chopped that is. Now my hands are greasy. Alright, next you want to start getting it together. I'm going to add a little bit of breadcrumbs to it. Not a whole lot because this is only a pound of meat, but I got to have a little binder. I want some granulated garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of dried minced onion. Even though I'm going to put onions on it. But gotta have that little flavor. Some pepper. I am going to add a little salt. But not a whole lot because you got the bacon in there. Alright, let's start mixing this up. Well, I want to add a splash of milk. That was approximately a tablespoon and a half. It's actually Sunday afternoon here. And we're gonna just have a burgers and fries. I've been supposed to make this since Friday, but it just never happened. Alright, you don't want to mess with the meat too much. And I'm going to try and do this under 4. they'll probably be way too big, but that's alright. We'll figure it out as we go. And I've got my broiler pan over here. I've already got my broiler, my oven on broil. And these are going to shrink up, of course. That one's kind of big. I was going to use saltine crackers all crushed up as a binder, but we're ready to eat. And we're going to have Swiss cheese on top of these. We got some baby Swiss. Oh look, it's a square burger. I must think I'm Wendy's. Alright, now what you want to do is put these in the oven, in the broiler, under the broiler for 3 to 5 minutes per side, because it's according to how you want done you want them. Mine's going to be a little bit less done than Tony's. So, and then whenever they're done, after the 3rd minute after I've turned them over, I'm going to shut off the oven, put cheese on it, and let them sit in there for just a second to melt. Alright, we'll be back after these are done. Alright guys, I'm ready. We're having some fries. I cooked these up in the air fryer. Make it easier. And guess what? I forgot to salt them. Oh well. I'm in a hurry. I also grilled some buns. I'm just gonna do 1 plate right now because I don't know what Tony wants on his. Alright, over here I've got some onion. I like to put my onion down first. That way when the hot burger gets on it. Alright, look how small these are. I feel like I'm doing a Wendy's commercial. Where's the beef? But I guarantee you the taste is there. Alright, I'll put some mayonnaise on here. I'll get this one right here. And that's all I want on mine is mayonnaise and onion. You gotta squish it. Now, I don't want mine cooked to death, so hopefully I've got this cooked about medium. Oh, it's medium well, but it's still juicy. Oh gosh. Alright guys, thank y'all for joining me. I'm sorry, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, how you like your burgers. I'd rather have them on the grill, but I'm not into grilling tonight. And give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it on your social media. Alright guys, dinner's ready. Bye.